Good morning, everyone. As you know, I've been a bit obsessed about sunrise photography, and today I'm going to give you a few important tips for sunrise photography. Stay tuned. So, this sunrise is not what we were expecting. We were expecting to have like a proper sun rising above the horizon, but just look all the way there. But I'm not complaining because it looks really cool. So I'm just gonna zoom all the way in and focus. And ta-da! Yeah, the clouds are really cool. Not sure if this is much of a tip, but it's a bonus. So next tip is also a good tip. You can try and find a building with one side facing the light, so like that one there, and then one side facing the shadow. It's really nice because it creates a bit of a contrast, and it also shows the nice golden glow. And then you focus. Ta-da! There you go. And that makes a really nice photo. So the next tip is look for shadows or long shadows. It could be signs, or it could be lamppost, or literally anything. Because the sun is really low, so the shadows will be really long. Here is perfect because I could get people's shadows, and I could also get the shadows of the sign of MCP. Yeah, I got it. The next tip is really good if you could do it well. It's called edge lighting. The first challenge is to try and place a subject between your lens and the light, because then it will create a strip of light on the edge of them. Hence, edge lighting, literally. With autofocus, it was tricky for me because the subject was really dark. So you have to look for the strip of light and try and focus on that. Otherwise, you'll have to try and manual focus. And good luck with that. If you can do it well, it'll create a very cinematic shot. Next tip is to look for the sun shining on reflective glasses or any reflective surface, because it creates a sleek and modern and clean look. Also, because it creates more of a contrast between that and those in the shadows. I love how the sun is reflecting on the bus window. That could be another one that you could do. Just bear in mind, always look for the histogram. It's very easy to overexpose when you're doing stuff like this. This next tip is one of my favorites. Look for a subject in a shadow and place it against a lit background, or vice versa, because it separates the subject from the background. And it also looks very dramatic, as you can see in this shot I took of the guy holding the briefcase. He was really dark in the raw image, but somehow I'm able to brighten him up a bit, and that makes it look dramatic. The background just looks, dreamy or cinematic, whatever you call it. I just love it. Also, the background in the back isn't completely blown out. It's soft and it's really distant. With my lens, it creates such a nice separation. And I love it a lot. It looks epic. Thank you guys for watching. I would say the most important part about sunrise street photography is planning, because from today's session I realized how short of golden hour it was, and it wasn't just that, it was the prime of golden hour. For me, the sunrise started at 6:22, but the best lighting was only from, I would say, 6:40 to 10 past 7. So that was really short. That's why you should always plan ahead, and I would say arrive 10 minutes earlier to set up your gear and set the setting right. Also, for street photography, where you are is very important, because there are loads of buildings in the city. So you might end up being in a spot where it's all in the shadow, then there will be no point. So I would just do research and find out the best spots where the sun is shining. So I went for at least 3 trips already, and I noted down the good location for sunrise. It was actually a little bit stressful today because I had to dash from one place to another just so I don't miss out on the golden hour. You have to do what you have to do. And it turned out pretty well. So what do you think? Are you inspired to go do some sunrise street photography? Let me know in the comments. And are you prepared to wake up at 5 in the morning? Well, it will technically be earlier than that because now sunrise is getting earlier and earlier every day. So I challenge you to wake up earlier than me and we'll see if you could make it. Good luck with that. Good luck trying to shoot with your eyes half open and your brain half shut. There will be more videos coming, by the way, so hope you can come back, and please, if you like this video, give that like button and please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you. Bye bye.